Kasamoy Indian League menta usnam kan sedang da kajinga Khun hapadeng ka Shillong Lajong FC Pyrshah ya ka Churchill Brothers FC haka arpusau tarik nai wing hamadan Shillong Sport Association Stadium Pulo. Habai kran bakila pathai Khubor haka arpuai tarik nai wing ha Shillong Press Club u coach ka Shillong Lajong ulaong watla ka club kalapoi haka kerdan bapra haka Samoy baladem ulapan pau baka kunhun kane khunting ban long ka bakan sai tam ban wan hakli du hakane ka Indian League ban salong shen Ujos Carlos Rodriguez Hevia coach rangba ka Lajong ulapan pau ka jing sngo scam baka club kaladon lupa ya ki sab bat ki but ele kai bat amdan bala ban ya khun Pyrshah ban khangla ya ka Lajong ban yo bat poi syaka nam la du ulako
So kaba banyak di bawah, pak banyak orang berpau bagi, saya boleh berpanggil ki press, kiba long ki channel, banyak ki, nak pada Khubor jong banyak ka, nombak ka jongi, tam ya ka football banyak jalan ka jongi, kebalan bajong, pigra long siaga jeng, ayam sem, banyak long lo, kebala ketik iki bobon ki balang, akan ka nombak ka jongi. Tiang ini nadon mengai bahasa borsana kalau non aktif juga klub ka Shillong Lajong klub antang idon hande ini karu di player di jongi i Frankie Wam bat i hari klub nombri i dan ru head coach jongi i coach Carlos Jose bat kumjoro ai haba belang si ujung ka klub jongi te ka tayo berada bagal sedang kami benai pemerintah. Kan sedang nurut lasai kesengi, kagem nurut kong yang kaba penjale, bat ngingin dia bila kai haka nika season day kemudian, hapten ka Churchill Brothers, bat kajila kai kalau Khubor nyewa jajan mit, hangtai hapo Shillong Sport Association Stadium. Tengah suruh berpau kajing ai kulai ki pajba ki ba Khuborjylla ya ka kelop jongi nak away ka or sipat bat hadu ka kalimat ka hadu chong ka ka jila kai ka beladep ton beladep kalong sya kajing ai mensim ya ka kelop mar ko we te hagane kalimat ru hagane kenti ko mantaru isno ban kwiliti ni ka ju ka Khuborjylla ka lagi pajba Kamtam aga game dengan kong ke bengio penyelek akan season dia ke ban kedua ya kawe ni klub ka rim ha po kan ka ri jongi ka bangolong pi ka Churchill Brothers ti akan ka ji le kai kandon ka jindi tiket ha baro ji le kai da ka wa ngin sedang bandi tiket nado la syai ka singi maka cakap bandi tiket kan long hang tai ha po Pyrshah po electronic center nang ta kandang jindi tiket ko la infra ha po Shillong cafe bat kumjo ha po SSA stadium hang tai pulo te ko ngai pi ba jindi tiket kan long na do la syai ka sngi ka tiket ka ba tat do ka ba ka klub ka di ka lai ka dei hispa san ho bat ka ba khamrem do kata ka long ka BBIP ka ga dor sanspa ka kita kilong ki banila ban ay ba kilaban yo tiket hagaji dei beginika game ka bangsa yo haganeka sisali ka banwan kesa sisin pat na ka club ni da kermen scam bagi pa kinong karandin dan aplen jo itu ki bangila permanan ki latih itu ki ka ki ba kilalong si benta kajin I'm a sim ini dekat awal itu pernah kita sim di kapan long sim entah kemudian nomor juga kalau kejongi dengan scam bah kini gawe show kalah kalau kerja I'm a sim ini bagi pajak baru nasi kita beliau bantit dari kan no kerja dari berkejing sim entah kumban join berke family kejongi kita ibu beliau ru bila kerpat iki begini ban ban sakhi di sini kai bertenat hagadika tayo kabamentahi kabalong hagasngi sende kata kalong gajing permanan nagilan ka kalau kajongi.
I'm very happy with all of them. I'm really surprised with the level of the local players. Obviously I knew a few of them and after the Duran Cup performance I had a very good impression of them. But what I saw in these 2 months is very, very good, and make me feel very, very optimistic for this league.
Prior to this,
To the club after the Durand Cup, and knowing the big gap we had from the last match of the Durand Cup till the first match of our league, what I required them was to have at least one friendly match each week, and the club managed perfectly everything, and we had 12 friendly matches in all this time, so we could prepare everything. Obviously, we couldn't play against strong teams, strong clubs. However, we had the minimum level required to play against other clubs, other teams, that made us to get better every day, to get better and to carry on with the preparation properly as we expected before. About Churchill, we haven't any information about them right now. New coach, new squad. Sadly, we couldn't obtain information from the practice matches. They didn't play any tournament where we could get that information. So what we had to do and what we're going to do is to face everything on our squad. That is the point we can handle, we can prepare. And what we're doing is to carry on with our preparation, with our plan, in order to get better every day and to perform as we expect with the highest level. And the same for the league, for the full season. What we're going to do is to carry on as we did from the first day I came here. We started in the Durand Cup with the plan. The plan is ongoing, and what we're going to try is to win our matches. Obviously, we are going to go out every match with the idea of winning. Is it possible? Hopefully, yes. It will be complicated, very complicated. It will be very hard, very hard. But the players are very hungry. They know this is a very good platform this year for the club, for the players, for the staff, for the management, and we're going to take advantage of this situation we have now, and we will do our best. And what I want to transmit right now, from this moment onwards, to all the supporters, to all the faithfuls, that we're going to give everything to the faithfuls, to Shillong, to Meghalaya. Is there any rule in India or in Meghalaya or I felt that they don't allow us to be on the top? Why not? Why I'm not going to be ambitious? We are not mediocre people. We are very ambitious people. We are very hungry people. So we're going to do our best and to be on the top. We can. The talent is here. The sacrifice is here. The passion is here. The great effort is here. So why we are not going to expect for the best? We will try every day.
Ibadan kita bandingan dengan Khubor, te mengi kum ki players, kum kelot madu ki management, ki coaching staff, ki players mila long di balapan krek akan nega I-League bat dakan jing Tristom Johnny lang barok akan man bangin yo agin job bat ngba kajing kersan ngakermen bagi paibat nuan kersan yangi kum bagi wan kersan akan negi game baladep kam tama kadran kop bat ka nega I-League ru baladep ngakermen bagi nuan kersan bangi kumju bat ngakermen ngba kajing kersan jongpi inyo agin job ke game bat ko kabaya yangi bat kan de ru ka fast game bat kan long kabakam kalong kongsan ha bangin job kenang ba in yo mesin nang game badang sekmat. Thank you.